We'll guide you through how to tune your car using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website to access ChatGPT. Make sure you have an account, and if not, create one quickly by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main chat interface. Now, to start tuning your car, you'll want to gather some initial data about your vehicle. This could include details like the make, model, year, and any existing modifications. Type something like, "Help me tune my car," and provide the specifics. ChatGPT can give you advice on potential upgrades or modifications, whether you're looking to improve performance, fuel efficiency, or the overall driving experience. If you want to focus on a specific aspect, say, enhancing the engine performance, you can ask ChatGPT for suggestions on parts or adjustments specific to your car model, such as upgrading the air intake or adjusting the fuel mixture. Remember to clarify any terms you're unsure about by asking ChatGPT for definitions or further explanations. If you're planning to make any physical adjustments, it's a good idea to cross-reference ChatGPT's advice with reputable automotive websites or consult with a professional mechanic to ensure safety and compatibility. ChatGPT can also help you with software tuning if your car supports it. Ask for guidance on using tuning software or equipment you might need. It's important to note that while ChatGPT provides a wealth of information, always double-check any mechanical work you plan to undertake. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.